Like, oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo!
No way you use this.
No!
lens. Ryan,
Maeve,
why would you leave it
back
out
that
like
thing
that?
up.
Ryan, come on.
There's shit on the top.
Dang, like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, Josiah. Like,
But it ain't do nothing.
Bro, what the fuck? Bro, don't tell me this shit.
Like I was just trying. Oh my god.
oh
Baby.
my God, Kevin.
Baby.
No.
What happened? The toilet. Destiny.
Why would you do that?
Babe, can you come here?